number of moles of hydrogen required to react with 2 moles of nitrogen based on the equation. Okay, the equation, as you see, it gives you nitrogen plus hydrogen. It will give you what? Ammonia, which is NH3. Good. And it's balanced equation. How I check if it is balanced? I have here 2 nitrogen, and here I have 2 nitrogen. Good. And I have here 6 hydrogen, and I have here 3 times 2, which is 6 hydrogen. So that means it's balanced. Okay. And the balanced equation, or the chemical equation, we deal with it like math. That means we can multiply the left side of each part of it by a number, or divide it by a number, as long as we divide the whole equation by the same number, or we multiply it by the same number. Good. So here now, do I have the right to multiply this equation by 2? Yes. So go to see the question now. Number of moles of hydrogen required to react with 2 moles of nitrogen. Good. How many moles of nitrogen in this equation? As you see, the number of moles that represent the number that is written on the left. So here is 1, and here is 3, and here is 2. So that means 1 mole of nitrogen molecules plus 3 moles of hydrogen molecules. They'll give us what? 2 moles of ammonia. Get it? The question now says number of moles of hydrogen required to react with 2 moles of nitrogen. Okay, that means now what you're gonna do? I'm gonna just multiply this one here. I'm gonna change this number of moles of nitrogen 2. So that means in this case, to change it to, that means you need to multiply it by 2. When you multiply it by 2, you multiply the whole equation by 2. So you multiply it by 2, the whole equation, what will you get? You will get here is 2, and instead of 3 here, you multiply it by 2, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 6. And here also you multiply it by 2, you get what? 4. Now I go to the question. How many number of hydrogen required to react with 2 moles of nitrogen? Now I have already, as you see, 2 moles of nitrogen. How many moles now of hydrogen? You see, you're gonna see what? 6 here. You're gonna see it is what? 6 here as number of hydrogen moles. So you choose here 6 as the answer.